If your welds look more like metal spaghetti, you're in the right place. Let's fix that. Argon welding may sound fancy, but it's a breeze with the right tips. First, always suit up with your protective gear. Safety first, folks. Now, kerbosten pipes are unique, so we need a stable argon flow. Set your flow rate around 15-20 cubic feet per hour for best results. Next, keep that torch angle at 15 degrees to avoid contamination. Remember, steady hands make smooth welds. And speaking of smooth, don't rush it. Slow and steady gives you a clean bead. Lastly, always check your connections. A tiny leak can mess up your argon shield, so triple check everything. Keep practicing and soon you'll be welding like a pro. Got questions?